Let's run it. No, it doesn't work. Oh, operators must be Are you taking the piss? It's like a clicker game, except you have to code what you're actually doing. Makes it more fun and also more annoying. Also, what I keep forgetting is the f***ing brackets. This game is pure coding addiction. I've got super far in it. They changed it. Massive updates. I'm gonna start over. New game. And it's gonna be called Save 1. Sure, why not? Now, in this game, we have this drone. And this drone is gonna be like our litter farmer, because the game is called The Farmer Was Replaced. We're the farmer, we just got into coding. This drone is gonna do our job. Now first what we need to do is cut this grass to get hay. So what I'm simply gonna do is say harvest. And then my drone, once I run this code, is gonna harvest this hay. So I click on run, and there we go, we've got 1 hay. I'm just gonna do it a couple of times. Now we've got 5, and we can go into the unlocks and unlock loops for 5 hay. And with loops, we're able to do stuff like this. So while true, harvest, which means just keep harvesting forever. Now the code we write here is written in something like Python. The problem is that I don't really know that language, and that was actually the reason I kept failing in this game, like forgetting indentation and, just messing up with the syntax of the language. Anyway, while the drone is doing this, we can head here into the research tree, and we can increase the speed of the drone. So yeah, now the problem is that the drone harvests the grass too quickly, so it can't even grow. So it doesn't have time to grow, we're not getting any hay. Which means that what we should actually do is check if we actually can harvest. Is this how you write an if statement? Then you do this and that. Is this right? Yes, it is. So now the drone is waiting until it can actually cut the grass, and we're getting hay again. And I don't think I need these brackets. There, yes, now it works. We could keep increasing our speed. We can't anyway, because we need wood for that. We could increase the yield of the grass. We could unlock an expansion of our farm and unlock planting. Let's actually do both of these. So now the farm is larger. And what we can do now is not wait until you can harvest. But we can say, if you can harvest, harvest, and then move north. I think that's how you do it. So hopefully this is going to be much faster. Yeah, see? And the grass has time to grow while the drone is doing that. More expansions cost more wood, so let's get into planting. Now what we can do is plant a entities.bush, and I guess that's it. So we plant these bushes, and then we keep going, and at some point we can harvest said bush. So we just wait until it's done and then harvest it. So now we've got some wood, and we can do more speed upgrades and also another expansion. So since our farm is now a grid, we need to improve the movement of our drone. So we should be able to do something like this. Use the world size, which in this case is 3, and then just 3 times go north, 3 times go east, repeat, and harvest everything. So let's try doing that. And already, I think it's like 3 minutes into the game, I've got an error. I tried creating a variable, but we haven't unlocked them just yet. Now, where the fuck are variables? Oh, there, and I need carrots. Oh boy. Okay, never mind. Let's just use this and put it there, and we're gonna comment out this piece of code. And also what I like to do is always, at the start, just clear the whole field so that the drone can start from scratch. So the drone goes through the grid and then it stops. Okay, I forgot. I need to keep the while true loop in, I guess. And then all of this should be indented. There you go. So now repeat forever these 2 loops. Nice. Now I guess we could use more speed. No, we can't. More grass, too expensive. No, everything is expensive. And the carrots are expensive. Well, anyway, let's get some wood in. So now we're gonna harvest and plant the bushes and just repeat doing that. So now with the field being this big, before the drone gets back to the original first tile, the bush has already grown. So this is saving a lot of time, and it's fully optimized, which is funny because we're not really doing anything. We've reached 100 wood, so let's unlock carrots. Now to plant carrots, we actually do need wood. So while this code is running and we're earning more wood, I'm just gonna create a new function right here. I'm gonna say these are carrots. I'm gonna copy this whole thing and just say plant carrots instead. Actually, for now, that should be enough. So let's run this and it doesn't do anything. And I can see this issue. So let's pause this. And what are you trying to say? Your code, well, show me. I'm gonna kick you. Show me the shit. What's that? There you go. Click the something details in the output window. Where's the output window? Are you taking the piss? Where is the output window? I'm gonna click you. Okay, there. So there we have an output window. Oh, and I messed up. I forgot that I have to mess up the ground. Right. So we can't just plant carrots. We have to actually till the ground first. So if ground type, hang on, just 1 second. Was it get ground type or something? If get ground, for fuck's sake. This is annoying. Okay, I don't think we actually have that function just yet, so no if. Let's say till. So we till the ground and then we can plant carrots. Now it works like this, and then you get the carrots and you do it again, but I see that there's another warning. Can't plant carrots. Yeah, fuck you. Okay, so stop that. So you harvest, then you till, and like, I only want to till once. Like, come on. So now we're getting carrots and we can't harvest these just yet. So yeah, okay, we're gonna just harvest some carrots and some grass for now while the carrots are growing, because we till and then get the grassland back when we till it again. Right. So is there an unlock? Senses. Oh yes, that's what we need. So the drone can sense what's under it and where it is. For that, I need operators, which are freaking expensive. So let's actually increase the grass yield first, or yeah, I can get the expansion. I can get the grass yield. Good, good. So now the field is massive and the grass is earning double. Now, obviously, we've still got some complaints here. We don't really care. What? Oh, we ran out of wood. Right, so we can't plant any more carrots. That's it, you're done. So what I'm gonna do is plant some wood as well. Can we do like if I is bigger than 3, then you plant carrots, else you plant bushes? How's that? Let's run it. No, it doesn't work. Oh, operators must be Are you taking the piss? Like, what the shit? I can't even... Okay, operators... Yeah, for fuck's sake. So back to our original thingy, and we're just gonna do a bit of bushes, and I'm gonna need 300 grass and 30 wood. So yeah, keep doing the wood thing. Okay, we've got 30 wood, so now you pause, and you're not gonna be planting bushes. Just harvest the grass. Okay, good, good. It's like a clicker game, except you have to code what you're actually doing. Makes it more fun, and also more annoying. I mean, I'm a little annoyed because like I'm used to having all the unlocks unlocked, but I don't think it will be a problem if like you give it a go, unless you've played it before. Then it's gonna be annoying. Oh look, 300 hay. Operators unlocked. Now this just explains the arithmetic operators, but then there's something kinda shitty. Power operate. Well, this is just mental. I would never write this ever. It's bullshit. But yeah, this makes sense, which means now I can stop you and use this knife thing that I had go in. So plant some bushes, plant some carrots. Let's try doing this, and it works. Is it really working? No, it isn't really. Why am I never planting carrots? If I is bigger than 3... Oh, wait. Oh, I see. So the world size in this case is 3 and not 4, right? World size, there. The side length of the grid. Well, that's freaking 4. Oh, right, but I is never gonna be 4. That's how for loop works, you idiot. It's funny, like, when the language is different, I forget coding. I just forget how this works. So if I is bigger than 2, because here it's 0, 1, 2, 3, so bigger than 2 is 3. And meaning this last column should be carrots. Please be carrots. Yes, we've got carrots. So now we're getting wood, we're getting carrots, we're not getting any hay. Anyway, what operators are we gonna go for? Census, yes please. So now we can actually find out like how many items we have of hay, what's on the ground, get ground type, that's what I was trying to do. Good. And also I see we've got a problem. Yeah, trying to plant carrots on grass. Okay, let's fix that. I just want to till everything. So what we're gonna do is say if get ground type is equals like that, grounds dot grassland, then you till, and that's it. Also, what I keep forgetting is the fucking brackets. I think in my first playthrough, this took me like in total 5 hours, like to keep finding missing brackets. This should work, right? So we till everything the first time we go through, and we just keep planting bushes, which don't care what's there. And then we plant carrots, and we never till again, and now basically just keep harvesting. That's nice. Let's increase the speed of the drone. Yeah, so now the carrots aren't even fully grown before the drone reaches them. Can we increase it again? Now let's unlock trees. Trees are a better way to get wood than bushes. They give 5 wood each, and they can be planted on grass or soil. Now they like to have some space, and planting them right next to each other will slow down their growth. Growing time is doubled for each tree that is on a tile directly to the north, east, west or south. Right, so basically we need to plant them on diagonals. And I'm just interested to see what's here. It's just some bullshit. Alright, let's do it. And I'm gonna use this amazing piece of code, but I'm actually gonna transfer it here. Do we have variables, by the way? No, we don't. Okay, I'm just gonna wait and then I want the variables unlocked. Okay, variables unlocked. Good, that's what I wanted to do. Yeah, you can piss off. Okay, I think I did something. So what I've got here is this. If I plus j, which are basically our current coordinates, are divisible by 2, we plant a tree. So hopefully that should do the zigzag pattern. And if I is larger than 2, we till the ground if we've got grassland and plant carrots. Otherwise, we just keep the, trees growing. And this shouldn't be a normal if statement. This should be an else if statement, so that I can still keep the trees there. Okay, let's see if this works. Oh, error. What? At the big... hello? What the fuck do you want? Like... Oh, that's not how we write it. You fucking... This is how you do. Elif. There you go. Already pissing me off. So let's start this code. Oh, look at that. It's work. I fucked up. How have I fucked up already? Like, I think that this spot, it works here. Okay. But this spot is coordinates 1, 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. What I think actually happened is that I should put brackets right here, there, and now it's gonna work, right? Yes, it's working. So we've got the zigzag pattern of the trees, and then in the last column, we've got carrots as well. So we're earning a ton of wood, a ton of hay, and some carrots, but not too many. So actually, let's put a 1 there. This should be more efficient. And we've got a lot of wood now, actually. So can we upgrade stuff? Grass, no. Speed, yes. Yes, but no. We need pumpkins there. Lists and functions. I don't need functions just yet. I can just write it all in one main function, right? That's what professionals do. Carrots. Yes, let's get more carrots. A lot more carrots, please. 400% carrot yield. Nice. Better trees. And unlock pumpkins. Well, I don't know. I don't really... I like... Watering was really annoying last time I played. And I'm not sure it's gonna be any better this time. Oh, look how fast the drone is. It's actually amazing. Now this is as fast as our drone can possibly be, because the next upgrade requires this, the cactus plant. And that's a late game unlock right here. So I'm not gonna go into that. I don't want to meddle with the watering just yet. I just want to enjoy myself, increase the grass yield of carrots, 600% currently, yield of trees as well, so that we can get more wood, which I can actually do right now. There you go, 400%. I really think that this is almost as optimized as you can get it. And that's this brilliant code. I see one issue with it, and that's this. So we kinda keep checking for the ground type, even though like it's enough to do it just once, but we keep checking. Whatever. The drone is really fast anyway, so we don't really care about this. This get world size, it takes some time to execute as well. So I'm using a variable here so that we don't have to call that function every time we check here. Basically after every movement we would have to check. Okay, good. I think I'm really pleased with that. I'm gonna leave it here so that next time we can get into the watering and most importantly, pumpkins, which is the first real coding puzzle of the game. Technically, the tree is already a coding puzzle on its own, but we solved it by this simple command. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time.